Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to place for smart investing and deep market insights. Today we're diving into a really exciting and futuristic theme: India's booming semiconductor industry. From chip design to manufacturing, India's semiconductor story is just beginning, and I'm going to help decode which stocks could really benefit from this mega trend. Before we jump in, a quick heads up. This video is just for educational purposes, not financial advice. Please make sure to do your own research or chat with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Let's get some context first. India's semiconductor market is expected to grow significantly in the next few years because of huge demand coming from electronics, automotive, telecom, and AI sectors. Plus, the government's incentives like the PLI scheme and India Semiconductor Mission are giving this a massive push. Simply put, India wants to grab a solid share of the trillion-dollar global chip industry by 2030. This is not just policy talk, it's a whole new industrial revolution unfolding. Starting with HCL Technologies, it's a big name in IT globally, but also a key leader in semiconductor design and engineering. Right now, HCL's trading just a bit below what experts think it's really worth. It pays a nice dividend, has a strong R&D pipeline, and big semiconductor clients around the world. It's a great pick if you want steady growth without taking on small-cap risk. Now, MOS Chip Technologies. This one's a fabless chip designer focusing on IoT and connectivity chips. It's a small company with high growth potential, but also higher risk. The stock price has jumped a lot recently, so it's definitely for the long-term risk takers. Then there's SPEL Semiconductor, India's only pure-play chip packaging company. The stock currently trades below what many analysts believe is its fair value. While it doesn't pay dividends yet, it has big optionality if India's chip assembly ecosystem really takes off. Think of it as an early bet on the Made in India chip story. Next, Dixon Technologies, India's largest electronics manufacturing company, expanding from contract manufacturing to chip assembly. It looks a bit undervalued compared to its growth. With strong government incentives and new product lines, this mid-cap could compound well over time. Surma SGS Technology is another EMS company moving into semiconductor hardware. It's trading at attractive levels with improving margins and a solid order pipeline. A good pick if you want exposure to industrial electronics growth. RIR Power Electronics works in power semiconductors and silicon carbide solutions, which are critical for electric vehicles and renewables. It's a niche, futuristic play, riskier, but with big potential if their silicon carbide facility scales as planned. Finally, Bharat Electronics, the defense electronics giant with semiconductor capabilities. It's trading close to its intrinsic value, backed by a huge stable government order book and decent dividends. This one's the safest pick on the list. Slow and steady wins the race. If you want stable stocks with good dividends, HCL Technologies and Bharat Electronics are your best bets. For solid growth with manageable risk, look at Dixon Technologies and Surma SGS. And if you're willing to take higher risk for potentially bigger rewards, MOS Chip, SPEL Semiconductor, and RIR Power are the names to watch. Remember, semiconductors are cyclical, so don't rush in all at once. Build your exposure gradually and avoid chasing short-term price spikes. So, that was your deep dive into India's semiconductor revolution and the companies shaping it today. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, share with fellow investors, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on emerging sectors and upcoming IPOs. Hit the bell icon to stay updated, and let me know in the comments which semiconductor stock you think will lead India's chip journey. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay invested, and I'll see you in the next video.